Click on the course resources and it will take you to this URL. You can also type it out, and when you're here, fork this REPL and you should see something like this. Read the instructions, write a program that asks for someone's age and then prints it to them like shown below. For example, your and then the user's age 9 years old. You can write your code in here. So pause the video and try this coding exercise. I hope you have tried this exercise and you have completed successfully. If not, then let's try it together. First, we are going to use a print statement, and then in here we are going to write your, and then we are going to concatenate an input function which is going to say what is your age, and then after that we are going to use string concatenation again and then say your years old. Now in here let's see what this does. First we have our print statement, and then it's printing your like stated over here, and then it's using string concatenation and concatenating whatever the user is providing to this your, and then we are having another space and then years old. So what it's going to do is it's going to say your, for example, 10 years old. So let's run it and test it. As you can see, it's asking for my age 10, and then it's saying you're 10 years old. If you have completed the exercise on your own, then congratulations. If you haven't, then I will recommend you to practice the input function for at least 15 to 20 minutes. In the next video, we are going to learn about variables. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.